Yeah. Oh. Wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow. It's been long I came on live Facebook. I just decided that, no, let me see if my live thing is still working. Lots of things happening, left, right, and center. Lots of things are happening. You see me looking left, right, and center, looking out at the top of the sky. Because you never can know. Make aeroplane, they pass. Because me, anywhere there is plenty aeroplane, me, I run, because I don't want a situation where some kind of things will be falling. You know now. Ukraine and Russia, as the matter they say go. Before they come and drop something. No, boss, I take off before they know what's they happen. Yeah. I won't be long at all. I just decided, is my Facebook live still working? Let me even try it before I even go inside and go to sleep. Because all the quite risky. Just wondering. Hey, my babe, what's up? Kilo Sharpen Princess. Olowo Shibi specialist. One and only. Olowo Shibi in the building. A lot of things are happening on this social media. In this world self, a lot of things are happening. A lot of things are happening. People cannot divorce in peace. People cannot break up in peace. People cannot marry in peace. People cannot be in relationship in peace. You cannot make your mistake in peace. You are so scared in peace. You can't do anything in peace these days. Oh. Your marriage on the Facebook like this. Then when you want to break up, the new style that me have realized is that when people want to divorce or when people want to break up, they come to report to social media in-laws like us. But the thing is that some of us have decided that we will not talk. But the thing is too much. Betrayers left, right, and center. Husband killing wife, wife killing husband. Burning people around. Can you imagine? Slap left, right, and center. Chai! Oh, wow! It was in this world that we sat down, jejeli. And next governor slapped the governor's wife. Pass. Hey? The slap now moved from Nigeria. Hey, Nigeria too much. We said the pace that follows. The slap now moved from Nigeria. Straight bam. Oscar. Will Smith gave Chris Rock. Pass. Who am I? When big people, they don't slap them. That's why you see me, I talk to some people. I will wear my hat and wear it so, just like this. They'll be wondering, Kilonse baby. Because, I'm just protecting myself. Because by the time they will slap me from now. They will slap me into the future. Who am I? Wow. Nariwa. Don't mind me, It's Ukraine and Russia that is causing this thing. Because me, I don't like to go where there is a plenty. If I see plenty aeroplane, they take off now. Oboso, I carry my passport straight off. This is the place immigration cannot do anything. Enter the aeroplane. Mojadano. Taloveku. Now, wow. See, let me tell you people something. All that guilt has is not gold, though. When you will not use your mother or your father as role model. You will use somebody that you just say on Facebook that or on social media that is looking very nice. You use that person as what? As role model. When the wala come gas, I wonder what goes on in your mind. I wonder what really goes on in your mind. Sis, make I talk the thing as a matter. Before long, I've not been talking. I'm just studying. I'm looking. Studying. The world has even turned to something else. Turned to something else, so. Nkechi Blessing has problem with her partner being her boyfriend or waiting. Na social media. Yeah, she's a strong woman, agreed. She no fit kill herself. She no fit kill herself. We all have different perspectives to marriage. But the main problem that we have as human beings is what? Fear. Too many people are scared of failing. But one thing people don't realize about failing is that you can only fail and learn. To be successful, you have to fail to learn. You start small, you start big, you do anything. You have to fail to learn. That's why I tell people, you are scared of the unknown. Then you see some people doing business, or you see some people getting married, or you see some people doing nice things. You now start envying them. Go and ask them what they went through. When they explain to you, you go understand better. Everybody is dealing with their issues, whether you like it or not. Ask Dangote. I've been out $10. It's just that is this slap that is my own problem, because I don't know who is next to be slapped now. I don't know who will be the next slappy and slapper. I don't know the person who will be the slappy and the slapper, because that's the thing. Now, no vex, so just making sure that too much aeroplane is not flying past. Make You want to divorce JJ and go inside. I tell people, you want to get out of a relationship, JJ do it. I mean, this world don't scatter. Everything you want to do, you come and report yourself to your social media in-laws. The aprocos and the aprocans and the aprokis. Now, wow. This world is rolling like a ball. This world is rolling like a ball. This world is rolling like a ball. Oh, Jeje lo laye. Kora Obidi left her husband. Now for this Facebook now we don't start up. Hey, another princess just pulled this thing today. Princess Oluwakemi Omo Oladapo. Fine girl. These people on this platform, they are the people that gives me food. They know say I like food. I like food. I like food. See my mommy. Mommy, good morning, Bogbole. Good morning, ma. Good morning, ma. I like food. Olo, mo like you, Jekpa. Igba ti mo ni para mi. It's better you try something, you fail, and learn from it, and stand up and move to the next level. Yes, so Foodie Lomo, now my name be that. Oh. You understand me? It's better you try something. Don't restrict yourself. Of course, there was a time I built walls around myself, trying to. There is nobody that is perfect. If you are waiting for Mr. Perfect, or you are waiting for Mr. Perfect, you go take. The moment you are ready for something, take the bull by the horn and go for that thing. Male, female, old, young, just go for it. Don't kill yourself if it doesn't work. Don't kill yourself. To move. Must we now kill ourselves? Show me the person that is perfect. Everybody is fighting with their demon. But I always tell people, if you cannot use your mother and father as your model, as your role model, shut up. Use yourself as role model, or use Baba God as role model. Everything on social media, everything. People will cook some kind of story like this, oh my befu alone social media, bam. Fear, afraid go catch you. When you now sit down, if you are the type that takes their topic so serious and take it to, you go get that attack. You wonder why I'm so I don't always come on social media. If anything happens to you in life, you move on. Yes, mommy, you move on. Oh. We move. Yeah, I was talking to one of my friends. I said, see, the day you decided that you want to get married, she came to me and said, Nikki, how did you do? The day you decided you want to get married, stand up. Take the marriage. When you take it, don't kill yourself. Toba work, fine. Toba work. We all pray for good things. But there is good, bad, or ugly. Abiola Dimeji. Hey, another of my beautiful sister. One designer. Good morning. Thanks for coming. Do you understand? If you start small, does not mean you are going to stay small. If something does not work for you, does not mean you should die there. So crazy, me. Last, everybody go die, you. It can be my turn tomorrow. It can be your turn. It can be anybody's turn. But we always pray that. Go bawani bitatin she in Konre. Not that you now use fear to restrict yourself so much that you can't even move to the next level. What would they say? Who are they? Shajawa Luyin. Abi se ibeji ni wani. Ibeji gan won marry lọ́tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀. Wọ́n dání lọ́tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀. Ẹ̀gbọ́n tàbúrò gan wọ́n bára wọn sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́. Ṣé lè ayé máa parẹ́ ni. Mami, let's stop all this idea of what will people say, what will people say. If your idea of getting married or if your idea of being with a man or a woman is to stay, enjoy yourself with the man, and you end up saying, carry yourself and wakanoki yourself. Are you understanding? But make sure that you are not hurting anybody. Are you understanding me? Kill the spirit of fear. It is a destroyer. If your idea of going to school is that I finished my secondary school, mo fellow caution me. Go and caution you with your full chest. Leave everybody way O Cambridge. Professor. Are you not getting it? Go and learn that work with your full chest. Finish it, graduate from it, and explore. Don't wait that way. Cambridge will. Do you know how many candles she burnt before she got there? Man, so for when you, but man will pay, but you have the way to man reason. When somebody comes to you for an advice, give the person the advice you will give to yourself. That's the truth. Give the person the kind of advice you will give to yourself. Is for example, somebody came to me and said, "Oh, call me, bye. Please, my first question is, wait, though. No. So you are waiting for me now to tell him to leave you. Both of you sit down and talk. If your idea does not go down well with him, shut up your mouth and move on with your life. Because Shadu and Shamini, before he tells you are rude now. All the divorce that we see beautiful marriage, the one that is paining me is the fact that Facebook is now the court of law for them to either stay or to divorce. A lot of relationships would have survived without people, without either the man or the woman coming to Facebook to come and report to we Facebook in-laws. That some people don't have content, so they will just sit down under your topic. And the devil that is in them will twist it so much. Are you not getting it? We twist it so much and you'll be wondering within yourself, did I make mistake? Were we there when you married the man? I was asking someone, oh, Nikki, you're not saying anything about Kora Obidi. I said, who is Kora Obidi? That my friend took my attention. They said, is this the person called Kora Obidi? Then who is the Dr. Justin? Oh. Is that the Dr. Justin? My question was, were you there when they started the relationship? No. Why are they not coming to my cyberspace to disturb my peace? So it's not my problem. Temiwa Larami. She just looked at me. God, the way you reason these days. Agbalanda yi yekama barawa sotoro. If I judge the matter, it consign me. No. If I not judge the matter, I go make them stay. No. My dear, how you there? Sonship, me only you they wear 2 cap lost school. No. Kilo shele. You're giving somebody one. I pray one day you don't dash out your life.
It's not like they're keeping it. I'm giving them to wear it in school and then I'll get it back after school.
Egba me. Omo ya lowo. So you are taking 2 hats to school. You will give them one to wear. because it's homeschool day. You will now bring it back. It's just for them to enjoy it in school. If you take that art out to give them, don't bring it back to this house. Yeah. That means you're dashing it. But I'm just praying you don't dash out your life one day. On motor busy luye. Their own kind of lifestyle. Ko yemi. Iwolomo. Just make sure that every time you go out, you come back with your life. You will not say you borrow somebody. Rate to feel low. Shoe that I bought for you, 180. Before I called Jack Robinson, I saw it on your friend's leg. Fine, I can understand. I can understand. I'm doing live show. Go. Just know that when you give it out, don't bring it back. You have dashed the person. But my son, please make sure that when you go out, Joe, ma give out life and more burn you, because I'm becoming scared of you now. I am meeting that phone. To ba take here, jade ma mu wale pada dash the person you. That is what I'm saying, yo. That is what I'm saying. One day my son will not dash me out. You people will be looking for me. What to dash me out, niye? Alright, soon me, yo. As I was saying, enjoy your life without fear. Enjoy it without fear. Hey, lágbájá kan ló ń ṣe mí, tàmẹ̀dù kan ló máa ṣe mí, kíní kan. I beg, some people na need it tire. I know of a lot of people that goes to church. They are still living a suspicious life. Everybody know why against them. And they are churchillers. That's why I tell people, I know they understand. I tell people that until you purge yourself of that fear, you will live a life filled with fear, and you will not enjoy your life. One more missing. Okay, be a good boy. You don't want me to drop here? No. All right. You understand? One more missing. Omu face cap. Tijo woni mora. Mommy, I want this kinikon. I want the polo one. I want the Nike one. He's taking it to school. Maybe you people were there. I was asking him now. What did he say? Mommy, I'm just taking it. I'll bring it back. It's just for him to wear it in school. Then when I'm coming back, it's a lie. If he takes it, it doesn't come back. It does not come back. That is living a fear-free life. But Oba Jekpa Wani, hey! Theory ball for parent. We will say, who did you give that art to? Who is the mother? Go get the mother in your yet in this small misunderstanding. I don't know how you people do it, oh. I don't know how you do it. Don't get me wrong. There was a time I was living a fearful life for a reason. I am in manja for a reason. The day I woke up and stood my grounds and said, God has not given me the spirit of fear, but the spirit of boldness and sound mind. I look at left, right, and say, I say, last, everybody go die. How you die? I don't know. But what should they do when you die? None matter. Please, let us stop all this. Don't turn social media to something else. So social media didn't come in now. Let us have peace and quiet on our cyberspace. You are in a relationship, you don't parcel and put for Facebook. Then when there is headache, everybody look at it. So I started looking at that Kora Obidi. I was following them from about a month ago. I was looking at it when my friend was telling me this thing. Saying a month ago to just watch what they are doing. I said, Jesus Christ. Look at how perfect the marriage looks. Some people were, I was reading some comments. Apropos in-law. I said, social media destroyed this marriage. It was social media that destroyed it. aided them to go into that one. And I saw another couple, both of them said they were leaving social media for a reason they gave that was tangible. I said this from my get sense. Somebody that didn't know when you start that relationship is the one that will help you scatter it. And it will be social media in the one day dash out tablets I bought for him to invest. My sister, I think said only me or one more Louis. Me more because he work. And when you are asking them, they will be justifying the dashing out. That's the thing. Without your consent, now you work your money. Oh. That was how I brought somebody yesterday. I was calling his school. I said, who was that person? Oh, mommy wanted to come and greet him. So, why? No, when my friends have been talking about it, now said he wants to be my friend and he wants to meet my mom. Ah! But sorry, lobby, don't go back as we say, she dash out to Shoo. Because it's national anthem. You can imagine while they dashing out tablets. Ah! Call on show one no. Anyway. They will not just dash people, they will look at someone that does not disturb one. That is the only way I used to justify. And now I beg him, David, please, story alone. If you want to dash out something, ask me now. Let me know. Don't let me believe this thing is still there. And boys, there should not be Keremio. There should not be here. You can't buy a boy a fake shoe. He will know. Even ordinary earpiece. They know the fake from the original. Ha! One more, you bed. What bed's gone? Anyway, back to what I'm saying. Please, let us live our life in peace and quiet. Break up in peace and quiet. Marry in peace and quiet. Do business in peace and quiet. Stop restricting yourself. Spread your wings. Anybody no follow you come United Kingdom, America, Canada, or anywhere. If you're giving somebody an idea that will make them successful and they don't want it, leave them alone. Move on with your life. Eat out. Meet people. Meet people. Good, bad, or ugly. And get something off your mind. That people will not betray each other. Ironio. He said to me when I was shouting, he said, I think our family is better than them. Honestly, I didn't read that now. Yeah, correct. That is the way they reason. Honestly, that is the way they reason. You have to give them a reason not to reason that way. I tell people, these children, you have to, that they want to be suspicious of, you have to give them a reason to be suspicious of you. They don't just wake up like us. Because like Badia can so therefore me Kemi mamaja. They're crazy. I looked at the old bullshit and I said, no, this is absolute rubbish. You give anybody an idea, the person doesn't want it, mark my eye. I was so high up at work that my brain was... Then I called myself, just come. Shock. Onoma. You know? Toba Noma. Drop it. Don't use people. I want crazy me, my I tell people every day. Hello, Sister Shay, for me a quick hell sugar. Hello, how are you? How they go, they go. You understand? Don't be scared of change. Somebody called me and said, why did you say Nkechi is a strong girl? I said, see, let me tell you something. That is the way Nkechi Blessing can express herself. She's a strong girl in the sense that she did not allow the breaking off of that relationship weigh her down. She moved on. Whether she's a lesbian, she's a gay, she's a whatever, it's not my business. Whatever she calls herself, as of when she was angry, right, wrong, or whatever, no concern me. Let her break up in quiet. Allow her. You will know at that particular time, that is the way she runs. The only problem I have with her, if I know her one-on-one, I'll say, Nebia, Nodana. Bikonu. Don't put your relationship on social media. You understand? Don't put it on social media. Try and reduce it. I'm not saying leave it completely. Because on her own, she's a successful babe. Every babe, every woman that is working, that is struggling, that is putting food on their table are successful in their own level. One successful may be, see, the level thing. Because social media is her office. Most likely that is why she doesn't know what to put in or what not to put in. But who am I to judge her? Me, le judge, yeah. I can't. Who has made me a judge over her life? My friends were looking at me. Yes. Then one of my childhood friends said, Nikki has always been like that. Maybe that's why people think that she's mean. She will tell you the way it is. Oh, it's either you cannot be in between with her. It's either you like her, you don't like her. Because I remember there was a time I was trying to adapt some people's style. He burned me. Oh, he burned me. He burned me from my head to my toe. Then my younger sister was asking me, Auntie Igbaole Dubai. The day I woke up and said, no, Koshalebe, let me go back to that nature God has given me. I tell you that we all have our issues. Elenu loma soro loma ro. Loma ro. Now you will get your mouth, you go talk. If I don't put my things on Facebook, I don't shakinik on Facebook. Anything you want. Yeah, so you cannot judge anyone in a relationship at all. He that wears the shoes knows where it hurts. She said it there now. I've been trying. But it seemed like it's not working. We saw evidence now. If tomorrow she now says she's lesbian, it concerns you. Now you're lesbian. I mean, people don't, I don't know. The level at which we do apropos now, it don't come up for the normal level. Some people will not, I say it all the time. 80% of the bloggers on Facebook don't have content. They will not sit down and create content on their own. They will do a apropos from Genesis to Revelation on social media, pick somebody's topic, and decide to die on the topic. Say crazy me. Say any brain me. If you want to be a blogger, have content. 1,000,001 things is happening in Nigeria. The ones that call themselves professional beggar. The boys said they fuck about. Abi? You understand? They will not blog about it. They will not talk about it. Only very few ones go to Nigeria, bring stuff from Nigeria and talk about it. Boshema better. That is Facebook for you. Now, how we go do? Mommy, how we go do? Now, sit down, they look. Now, make the likes of us, they look, then pay. Crazy go. People come to me and tell me things. Nikki, oh, Sheba, no, me, shiny. I did 12 hours. You're not telling me to come and die, Jokora, Bidi, Nkechi Blessing, Lagbaja Komba, Bitamedu. Forget. You see, betrayal is order of the day. But, in your don't betray you, won't betray that person. Because it makes you don't have integrity anymore. Your word is no longer your bond. But if you have integrity and you're gisting with someone, because there is one that is flying around on Facebook, imagine that they don't have content to deliver their own show, but they will want to kill themselves or another. I tire you! The thing they tire me, say you for me. It tire me past you. I don't even listen to any show again. Hardly do I listen to show on live, because if I'm not sleeping while they are doing their life, it's only very one or two that I listen to after. Someone like AJ, when she's doing that comedy, if I want to laugh, there's this particular one that she did last. I watch it every day to just laugh. And some very few people as well. I watch it every day to laugh, and when I finish laughing, I will go to bed and sleep because it was funny to me. But there are I'm not saying don't talk about topics that are trending. Talk about it, but no die put there now. Now person life be that. Because I tell people every day, you know what? Karma is a bitch. It will serve you hot. We have seen it on social media. It will serve you no matter how long it is. When karma is ready to serve you, will serve you hot. You see that thing Kora Abedi is doing. Maybe Kora is right or Kora is wrong or whatever. I'm not judging. By the time she will be crying behind her doors, you will not be there. Justin as well. By the time, if they don't love each other, Mama be momeji. Eyoko is understandable. One might be momeji. Ah, what do you want? You're going to Burugon. People came with Messi and Adekas. I was looking at people judging these people. I was telling myself, ha, wala wagon. You are crying when the marriage has taken place. What were you doing before the marriage took place? You did not fight before the marriage took place. Fight tooth and nail before the marriage took place. I tell my people every day, no matter what you do to a man, the only man that will be kept is the man that wants to be kept. Match a mistake. You go and collect loan, you buy Lexus Jeep, you do this, you do that for a man. He will only be kept if he wants to be kept. It is not all those your sweet things that you are giving to him that keeps him. No. They have the mind of their own. Yeah. You see, women, we have, when it comes to love, we will, I should repeat it again. Thank you. I'm repeating it again. No matter what you give to a man, and you believe that it is only a man that wants to be kept that will be kept. The other one. When the man is done, he will move on. I say it every day. Every blessed day I say it. But when you man work, can you make it and so safe? Can you honorable so what she's saying? She's just, me, I will say my own the way it is. I will say my own the way it is. Whether you like me or you don't like me, I will tell you. A man that wants to be kept will be kept. You see, we women, when we're in love, we'll do everything. But the moment we start loving, you will not believe that we once loved that man. Because hatred on another level. That's why I say to people, we in-laws on Facebook, allow anybody that is breaking up, let them break up in peace and quiet. So that it will be your turn tomorrow. At the Lord Facebook, somebody was busy destroying another person. By the time the story when Kama wanted to serve the meal like this, oh duro gesgi, oh oriba, oh wanwo, oh to bere, oh to fishe desi, oh to gengi, oh shebai. By the time to my juicy buy, it threw the person off balance. Now nobody was interested whether Otoni Abironio. It threw the person off balance. Oh Lord, it threw the person off balance. Falsa to me, my lovely sister, one of my childhood friends, huh? That my sister, this my sister, and she will go and commit offense. Because in secondary school we look so much alike, eh? It is me they will come and beat. She's that girl. Ah, that girl. Now leave that girl, oh. She will be the one to commit offense. It is me that they will come and punish. Emi Jesu. Honestly, I tell people, look at the trend going on Facebook now. All those extremists. When God want to serve them, he will go to mama phone one, go to mama ja one, go to mama suffer one language, go to mama shele, to mama sheton, to ba serve one by. tó bá serve wọn báyìí, afraid go catch you. Nínú kó gentle àbí kó ya wèrè sí, ẹyọkan ló máa mú. Now, the latest one is they are using religion. Anyway, it's for you that wants to allow religion to blindfold you. Now, tell me something, because I will soon be going. Tell me something that churches are building universities, but their church members that pay that tithe and offering cannot go to that school. You're crazy. They cannot go to that school because they cannot afford it. Your pastor is driving a Lexus Jeep and flying a private jet. Do you have a car? No. Do you have a car? No. Do you have a car? Living fake life, left, right, and center. Your pastor that you are paying tithes to. Let me bust your bubble. Church is now family business. Because the pastor has children that will take over from him or her tobacco. You know one can't die there. Sometimes I ask myself, what were our great-grandfather? What religion were they doing that they lived so long, look so fresh, and they live a stress-free life? There was no Christianity, there was no Islam. No. There was none of this too. But yet they were serving God. Ẹ jẹ́ ká padà lọ sí drawing board. Ẹ jẹ́ ká padà lọ sí drawing board. Kaso. I don't discuss religion as such. But sometimes, ẹ jẹ́ ká wo kíní ìdàdà now. No, now, make we borrow. Ẹ jẹ́ ká yára one brain now. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ro dada. No, ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ̀rọ̀ bí ọmọ àti ìyá náà, bí ẹ̀gbọ́n àtàbúrò, àbí children and daughter and mother. Look at all those big churches. They are busy buying private jets. They are busy building churches. What is wrong with all these bloggers on Facebook that will not tell them that instead of building church, build employment? Abi, when I say build employment, I mean build factory. Make we get employment. Now lie yo. Those people will now bring out boya 1 naira, abi 2 naira. They will gather it together. They will gather it together. Thank you, ma, Princess Kemi. When they gather it together, ma local university and ma secondary school, your church members will not benefit from it. Ọlọ́run máa rẹ́jọ́ dá gan o. Ọlọ́run máa rẹ́jọ́ dá gan o. Ẹlòmíì mo ó confirm pé ó máa lo pastor mi àti àwọn imam mi, ó máa fi wọ́n ṣe igi ìdáná. Mami water spirit don't win another soul. Abi? Ó 100% sure pé wọ́n máa fi àwọn ẹlòmíì ṣe igi ìdáná. Worship God in truth and in spirit. And to all our pastors and imams, stop now. Go back to what it used to be now. If you build your church, I know, shebi eman nikad. Toman koruko on what title see. Prince Anyoleke, thank you, sir. On nikad toman ko on what title see. When you build this church, tithes, people that does special offering, please now, give them, bring the school fees down so that these people can afford it. Go down. It's not right, oh. It is not right. Go down. You build this big church, you bring this big mountain. See, let me tell you something. The reason why I don't have problem with Papa Winazi, there was a day I read something he said. No, I listened to one of his interviews. He said, I was not called by God, but I love to worship God. That was the period he sacked some pastors because he said they are not productive. I now listened to that his interview. He now said, I wasn't called by God, but I love to serve God. Do you know what that means? He loves to serve God. So even if he turns his church to where pastor has to be productive and is justified because business center TTN, it is not forcing anybody to come to church. I remember going to one Winners here in Manchester, and the pastor said, and I quote, "If you have been coming to this church for the past 1 month and your life has not changed, you're in the wrong place." I just went to visit. You're in the wrong place. Because when you come here, you are supposed to have changed. You're supposed to get this. You're supposed to get that. I'm not a pastor. But I have a spirit that discerns things. I have a spirit that makes me sit with people. I have a spirit that makes me know when something is wrong or right. And I looked at them. The man did not force anybody to come to his church. Papa Deboye did not, he could force anybody to see church. That's your job to Tisokini. The man has said it. I love to worship God. And that is the way he knows how to worship God. And if he makes you a pastor, he expects you to give return. It simply means you are an employer. He's paying you a salary. What he quotes and what he salty, oti wa okay. When they called me again, Honorable, and you told you are born Muslim, Eric Kaula ni. I said, who is Kaula? I followed that one again. I said, I don't know. She orin doing ya boring time. See the woman now. Look at her history. Look at what she's saying. Look at what she's doing. God will not use us and abandon us. I can tentatively tell you that there are loads and loads of men and women of God. They speak the truth. I am telling you, they speak the truth, but their life has nothing to do with what they are speaking. God used them to speak the truth. God used them as a vessel to talk to his people. But the moment God finishes using them, he leaves them, they go back to their normal life. And you look at people and you wonder in your head, ṣebí pastor Ilori hàn pé máa fẹ́ babaláyé kan. Mo dẹ̀ wá fẹ́ babaláyé yẹn tán. Ẹ wo irú life the pastor yẹn live. How that one take concern you? I used to be someone that, it is true, people's life are supposed to reflect God, what they say out of their mouth. But it is also true that on vessel kan wà tọ́lọ́run máa ń yá lò tó bá ti lò tán á filẹ̀. Àwọn èlò àlòpatì nìyẹn. I don't know how to say that thing in Yoruba. Ọlọ́run ní ló wà kó ló wà pati. Tó yẹ tó bá ní ìwà ló máa lò wà. Tó bá dẹ̀ ṣe tó á fi wálẹ̀. God can go to the hotel, carry someone there, and the person comes to prophesy to you, and that thing comes to pass. And the person finish prophesying and go back to his prostitution. The only time that one pains me is that I'll be wondering in my head, Emi go ti mo marry gan, I never feel sleep with my husband. No feel sleep with me too much. Mo ma ní problem pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ ni. Àwa jẹ́wọ́ bóyá workshop ẹ̀ nìyẹn, but kò kí ń yé mi. But does not mean I will judge that person. Everybody has a story. Anyway, the long and short of the story is that live your life to the fullest. Stop being scared. When we talk of domestic violence, that one another different thing, no. Mo fẹ́ pé ọlọ́pàá kó má sọ pé mi mo rọ́kọ mi lọ sí prison. Tó bá pa ẹ́, ó máa live life ẹ̀. Tó bá lọ prison yẹn ó máa dé. Ìwọ máa dá adọ́run mọ́tọ́. You go reach heaven, begin to know the truth. I am telling you. Tó bá pa ẹ́, ó pa ẹ́ gbé. Those your children, they will suffer. One day I called my son, he did something to me, and I now looked at him. I said, you see all these things I'm saying to you, is simply because I will not be with you forever. The boy was shocked. I said, what if I die tomorrow? Mommy, you will not die. I said, amen, I won't die. But what if? What will become of you? Sometimes it's good we tell ourselves the truth and nothing but the truth. Because none of us is better than the people that died yesterday, that are dying this morning, or that will die tomorrow. Yes, mommy, that's one a fact. So yes. Or that will die tomorrow, or that will die the next minute. Koko kawamo bitatin sheshe reread. Kude majeka kuku or war balo so it should keep us. But sometimes you have to say the truth. You cannot spare the rod and spoil the child. You cannot live a life of play. Can you shame the shameless? Are you mad? There are some slangs that some people say when they sit down and ask themselves, this statement that I make, come and ask me, I will break it down for you. You say, Nikki, that's not what I mean. What is, can you shame the shameless? No. Can you mean rubbish? A name your father and mother has been keeping. You now feel you want to shame you don't want to shame the I'm not judging them at the same time. But all long to get slangs to live your life. Instead of you saying you cannot shame the shameless, live your life, your own life. Live it. Stop restricting yourself. Nobody is perfect. Betrayal will be from now, from Genesis to Revelation. Somebody that comes to tell you that Lagbaja betrayal, don't let anybody come and give you any amebo. Ask the person. What were you people discussing? Kini contribution to record any bami. Recording is another demonic spirit. What were you people discussing before that person said that? I think crazy girl. Come on. I think crazy girl. Anyway, I'm still going to work tonight. I just wanted to be sure that my life is still... Please, people, make sure you enjoy your life. So, children, you suffer to bring up yourself. Can I be... Mommy is certain. Mommy is Paris. What's Paris? Just wanted to be sure. This my life chat is on Facebook is still working. Okay, your man love brain in your man love blow. Anyway, Baba she mama buying sorrow once in a blue moon because our busy gone. Emma Bino. Keep approaching people's life. Keep judging them. When karma will serve you your own, then you remember that buy you. They judge people matter. They do extreme for people matter. Your own, when it go come like this, you know, go just know how you go to arrange yourself and stop living in fear. Stop living in fear. Serve your God the way you know how to serve your God. Shatiba? Good morning, mommy. Sister Money. Come on, darling. I'll see you guys later. I want go to make una no vex. Kachineke mezioku. Ogadima, it go better. Bye.